my beauty blender, please. So guys, I'm getting ready. Jamir, bring my beauty blender, come. To go out for a night on the town. It's my birthday. Yummy, big 3-0. And I'm just doing a little simple glam here. But I just wanted to hop in and, you know, give you guys my little 2 cents about, you know, Mommy, aging and, you know, hitting certain milestones when it relates to, as it relates to your age. So, approaching 30, I was a bit skeptical because, I mean, it's a big 3-0. Come on, dirty 30, like, we've heard about this growing up. And to me, 30 always just seems super old. Jamir, leave my makeup now, please. 30 just seemed super old, and I was like dreading becoming 30, but I can say for a fact that having arrived at this big 3-0, I feel completely the same. Like nothing feels different to me. It's just another day, it's just another birthday, it's just another year. I don't feel any different. So as I was saying, guys,